Hey guys, it's Rich from Rich Rebuilds here, and I wanted to provide an update on Tesla's response to a video I did for a friend of mine. Now, the gist of the video was that Tesla sent my friend a notice in the mail that the NHTSA, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, was doing a recall on specific Takata airbags that affected his car. The NHTSA has determined that a defect may exist in certain 2013 model year vehicles equipped with the Takata airbags. Over time, moisture intrusion could cause the inflator to rupture when the passenger's frontal airbag deploys in a crash. If the inflator ruptures, metal fragments could strike vehicle occupants, potentially resulting in serious injury or death. Tesla will replace the airbag in your vehicle free of charge. Replacement parts are available. Tesla will soon contact you to schedule an appointment to repair your vehicle. Tesla wants to ensure that your vehicle provides the highest possible level of safety. However, when he went to Tesla, they said this car was not certified with us and therefore we cannot perform this recall. He waited a couple weeks to speak to another person higher up in the management chain and he got the same response. Well, that video made its rounds about the internet and sparked quite the debate. Did Tesla have the right to deny a mandated recall? Well, the NHTSA was contacted and they do not. If the car is a drivable, registered, and on-the-road vehicle, they cannot deny a person's safety driving one of their cars. 2 weeks later, after that video was posted, Tesla reached out to my friend, apologized, and came out to my friend's car to replace both the airbag and his battery shield. Afterwards, an internal communication went around Tesla stating that they will perform this safety work on cars regardless of status, provided the car is safe to work on and not a hazard for their employees. I'm very happy that Tesla decided to make things right with my friend. Now, I'm not a Tesla hater in the least bit. If I was, I wouldn't have owned 6 of them or helped hundreds of people own and maintain their own cars. I'm just pushing them to do right by the people that own and love their vehicles. Now, I'm not doing this for me. I'm bringing these issues to light and fighting for the people that have no voice and have been turned away. The price to fix these cars is so high that even the smallest things, they are literally thrown away. So people are buying these cars at a discount, putting in the labor and fixing them and putting them back on the road, or stripping them down to help sustain other Teslas, or even recycling the aluminum in the cars and using the repurposed battery packs for home solar storage. What people are doing sounds like Tesla's mission statement to me: accelerating the advent of sustainable transport. For the great lengths that people go through for these cars, they should not be punished for what they're trying to do, because they can only be turned away so many times before they go to a different manufacturer. Thank you, Tesla, for doing the right thing.